Thank you very much. You're a wonderful contact. Good night, everybody. Keep your cameras rolling. This is so much fun. I would have done this show for nothing.
Touched by an Angel. Next on Hallmark Channel. Jordan Ladd, Jason London, the Hallmark Channel original movie, The Wishing Well, premieres Saturday night at 9 and Sunday night at 9 on Hallmark Channel.
With a million neon rainbows burning below, and a million blazing taxis raising a roar.
One happy dog.
Above the town.